My name is Kylie and welcome back to my all-time classic channel. Well, it's the summertime and that means it's the time of the year again where we get to enjoy lots and lots of fresh and juicy strawberries. Well, as you know, I'm a huge fan of strawberries. So today I'll be sharing with you how to make a Japanese strawberry dessert, which is the strawberry mochi, also known as Ichigo Daifuku. Well, this dessert consists of a strawberry coated with a layer of sweet red bean paste and wrapped around in a thin layer of chewy mochi. Well, this dessert is so delicious. A bite of this is a mouth full of pleasure. And believe it or not, it is super easy to make and super pretty too. So, let's get started. So, you'll need some glutinous rice flour, cornstarch, water, sugar, corn oil, strawberries, and also some sweet red bean paste, or the Japanese usually calls it anko. Then, after rinsing the strawberries, pat them dry with a kitchen towel and remove the stems. Now, wash and dry your hands and make small balls with the red bean paste, weighing around 25 grams each. Flatten the sweet red bean paste in your hands and place the strawberry in the middle with the tip facing out. Wrap the strawberry with the red bean paste and slowly work your way up to the tip. But leave the tip of the strawberry showing like this, so you know the position of the strawberry. Place the wrapped strawberry bean paste into a container and cover them up with a lid to prevent them from drying up. Now, let's move on to make the mochi dough. In a clean bowl, mix the glutinous rice flour, cornstarch, sugar, and about 120 milliliters of water. Give them a good mix until all the ingredients are well combined. Next, prepare a glass bowl and brush on some corn oil on the edges so it'll be easier for demolding later. Then, use a strainer to strain the mochi mixture into the bowl. This is to ensure that my mochi has a smooth texture. Cover the bowl with a clean film and use a skewer or a toothpick to poke some holes onto the clean film. This is to prevent the condensation from dropping onto the mochi dough during the steaming process. Bring the water in the steamer into a boil, and then place the bowl of mochi batter inside and steam them on medium-high heat for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the batter turns into a solid mass. Meanwhile, we can start stir-frying some glutinous rice flour on a pan. Prepare some glutinous rice flour, well, just enough for you to work with the sticky dough later, and stir-fry them over low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. Well, this is just to make sure that you're not eating any raw flour. Then, place it into a small bowl and set it aside for it to cool. After 30 minutes, ta-da! Mochi dough is done! While it's still hot, pour in a tablespoon of corn oil and try to incorporate them into the cooked mochi dough. Next, cover the work surface with generous amount of cooked glutinous rice flour and use a spatula to scrape your sticky mochi dough onto the work surface. Sprinkle more cooked rice flour on top and also some on your hands so that it won't stick onto your hands while you work on the dough. Now, knead the dough until you get a fairly smooth and elastic dough. I've kneaded mine for about 5 minutes and see how stretchy they've become. Next, divide the dough into 10 equal portions. take one of the portion and gently flatten them using a rolling pin. Make sure to coat your rolling pin with some cooked glutinous rice flour too, to prevent the dough from sticking onto the rolling pin. Place the red bean paste ball into the center with the strawberry tip facing downwards and wrap the mochi dough around it. Pull the edges into the center and pinch it all together. Cup the mochi with your palms until you get a satisfied round shape. Ta-da! And there you have it, the strawberry red bean mochi. Then continue repeating the steps for the rest of them. Now, I've also made some mochi just with the red bean paste and without the strawberries wrapped in, as I'm saving it for another way of presenting the mochi. Now, for the moment of truth. Ta-da! Pretty, huh? Now, to show you the other way of presenting the mochi, I take one of the mochi without the strawberry and cut a slit on the center, just a small slit. Then place the strawberry on top of the slit. Ta-da! Pretty too, huh? What's better than this? Sitting in my garden, watching my father's Japanese koi, sipping a cup of hot green tea with a homemade delicious strawberry red bean mochi. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.